I Trust NSTA is the institution responsible for training Jamaica's workforce, and today I'm going to be listing the top 10 jobs you can secure with an I Trust certificate. Kicking it off with IT technical support or network support. Entry-level IT specialists are in high demand. HEART offers network support level 2, computer service and support level 2, and IT essentials. These programs teach hardware assembly, OS installation, and network troubleshooting. With Jamaica's digital economy growing and BPO demand rising, graduates can move into network admin, cybersecurity, or software development roles. Number 2 is hospitality management services. Hospitality managers play a central role in keeping hotels, restaurants, and resorts running smoothly. HEART offers food and beverage restaurant management services level 2, front office operations level 2, and hotel front desk agent level 2. Training covers guest service, scheduling, and financial transactions. With tourism driving steady job growth, students can advance through front office supervision level 3 and other management level programs. Next up is number 3, which is plumbing. Plumbers are essential in both residential and commercial construction. ART's Plumbing Level 2 program includes safe installation, pipe testing, and blueprint reading. As construction and infrastructure projects grow, demand for certified plumbers remains strong. Number 4 is renewable energy. The renewable energy sector is growing. ART offers renewable energy level 2, photovoltaic installer, and rainwater catchment system installer level 1. These programs teach solar panel installation, HVAC basics, and electrical circuits. With Jamaica's push for clean energy, this field offers growing job opportunities and potential for entrepreneurship through their renewable energy level 3 program. Number 5 is motor vehicle repairs. Skilled auto technicians are needed island-wide. HEART provides motor vehicle repairs level 2 and motor vehicle engine system level 2. Training include engine systems, electrical troubleshooting, welding, and air conditioning. As vehicle ownership increases, technicians can advance through motor vehicle repairs level 3 into specialized or supervisory roles. Number 6 is forklifting operator. Forklift operators are vital in logistics, construction, and manufacturing. ART's Forklifting Operator Level 2 program teaches load handling, inspection, and workplace safety. With experience and OSHA certification, career growth include warehouse management and logistic coordination. Number 7 is administrative assistants. Administrative assistants play a key role across industries. ART offers Administrative Assistance Level 2 and Business Administration Secretarial Skills Level 2. These programs build strong communication, etiquette, and office skills. Advanced levels like Administrative Assistance Level 3 and Business Administration Level 3 lead to Executive Assistant role and greater career opportunities. Number 8 is General Construction. General construction skills are always in demand. ART provides General Construction Level 2, Mason Level 2, Tiler Level 2, and Steel Fixer Level 1. Training include masonry, carpentry, and block laying. Level 3 diploma prepares workers for site supervision and project coordination roles. Number 9 is cosmetology. Cosmetologists, hairstylists, and nail technicians benefit from creative and practical training. ART offers Cosmetology Level 2, General Beauty Therapy Level 2, Hairstyling Level 2, and Nail Technology Level 2. These programs cover hairstyling, skincare, makeup, and client service. Graduates can move on to General Beauty Therapy Level 3 or Massage Therapy Level 4 or even start their own businesses. 10th and last is electrical installation. Electricians are needed across construction and renewable energy projects. ART's Electrical Installation Level 2 and Domestic Electrical Technician Level 1 programs teaches wiring, power system, and safety. No, that was my top 10 list of jobs that you can secure with a Art Trust certificate. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.